So a Leaf ZE1 central locking operation from the boot. First of all, I'm going to lock the car from the front here. Keys in my pocket, obviously, so that it all works. That's locked all the way around. Now this car is set up so that if we unlock once with the driver's door, the whole car unlocks, and the boot should mimic that setting. It's worth pointing out that if you've got it set for double press on the front door for full unlock, then the boot should also mimic that. But anyway, here on the boot there's two buttons. There's an oval one and then there's a round one. Now the oval one, if I press that, you can hear the system work and the latch release, and that allows you to open and use the boot. Obviously on a car like this, with the way it's set up, it unlocks the whole car, so that's still done. If you want to then lock it back up again, you press the round button and that then locks it. Again, worth noting that if you have the double press for complete unlock, the long oval bar that's in the boot here works exactly the same. So the single press should only unlock the boot. The second press would then unlock the rest of the car. It does allow you to just unlock the boot to fill it up if you need to. Okay, so I've changed the locking sequencing on the doors using LeafSpy so that the car locks with one press, all closed up all the way around. Now with the next press of the button, it only unlocks the driver's door, and it needs a second press. Sorry, that's locked again, too slow. Two presses quite close together to unlock everything. So back to the boot. Going to lock the car first. You can see there it's all locked up. Now with the two-stage locking engaged, the longer bar under here will only release the boot lid. You can hear it go there. The boot lid is open, but the rest of the car is still locked for safety. So you can put your stuff in, close back up, and then if you press the round button under here, it locks back up again. You can then use the round button to trigger this whole central locking if you want to. So, car is still locked. We press the round button once. It does mirror the driver's door operation, so press it once. Locking is triggered. Didn't press it hard enough. Press it once. Locking is triggered. You could hear it go. It's locked. So back to the round button here. Now that we've got the double stage unlocking on the driver's door, this rear button only basically locks the car up. Okay, you can hear it triggering. No matter what I do, it's just locking the car. The beauty with that is that you can open the car up using the normal long bar. It's quite difficult to see the differences, but you've got this long one here, which when you're on two-stage locking with the key in your pocket, just pull on that continuously, the boot will open. Then when you're done, close it up, press the round button. Car is now locked, finished, done. So you can also trigger the whole central locking system when the system is set up like this, using the round button on the right here. If you press it twice, like on the driver's door, you can hear on the second press the locking triggers, then the whole car is open. You can then lock back up from the same place on the same button. Press it once, you'll see, sorry, I've pressed both at once. So press just the button and the car locks up. Done.